So, this week I have given you a recipe for sidewalk chalk paint. Sounds like an elementary project, but I will tell you it's a lot of fun. And if you can mix it up, you will be surprised with the results. It goes on like just kind of wet, kind of semi chalky. As it dries, it gets a lot more intense. If you don't have sidewalk to try it on some cardboard and see what happens. Also, when it dries, you can use it as regular chalk. But that's not the only thing for this week. What I'd like you to do is try to leave a positive message where someone might set their feet. It's always a good thing, especially now. I've also included a couple of YouTube sites which show some incredible sidewalk art. And it's amazing to see what people can do with chalks. And the chalk that they usually use is has a little more tendency to be like what we use as chalk pastels. But check it out. Have a good week. See you next week. Bye.